Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to show your external storage device on your Mac. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plug in my external USB. And then by default it will show on your desktop. But if you don't have it, you can always go to Finder. So open your Finder. Then you should see it in Locations. If you can't see it, I'm gonna show you now settings on how to change it. So go in Finder, click on Finder on the top, then click on Settings. And now you can select Show these items on the desktop, and you can enable external disks, CDs, DVDs, and iPods. And these, when they are enabled, are gonna show your external disks on the desktop. But you can also enable the sidebar. So go to the sidebar settings and then in Locations find external disks and make sure that they are checked, so you will be able to see them here. And you can also, for example, enable your Mac as a location. So when that's enabled, you can go into your Mac here and also open the location here. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.